This vehicle is the Dreamer D68 Limited. I don't really know why it's called Limited, because normally word limited means they're not making many of them, but they've been doing this for a number of years. You can see previous incarnations on this site. It's going to cost 68,000 euros, 636 centimeter long Fiat Ducato type camper van, but this Fiat Ducato type camper van is on a Peugeot base, and I say Fiat Ducato because that's the genre, and this was the type of vehicle that was nearly always done not so long ago on a Fiat Ducato. Now, what strikes you about this vehicle? Well, what strikes me is how bright it is. The lighting, you mightn't like the lighting, I do appreciate that, I do, but you might not like it, but it is, it makes the vehicle very, very bright inside. There, you have a look up there, storage there. Don't like them corner bits, I waste the space. You can't waste space in a 636 centimeter long vehicle. It's not a good idea. Right, we've got here this massive bed. I'm going to even make it more massive. So I beg putting this thing in here. It'll fit. Oh, what that didn't do a good job of that, did I? Right. Well, you should really be doing this, I think, with two hands, but it gives the point. Also, there's a plate to go down there. Well, it doesn't look very neat, but hey, I think you realize what's going on. Let's take this weekly put in vehicle mattress. As you can see, the supports are down there, the metal supports, which come in and out very easily, and just have to lift them out. They're held in position, but this gives you access to storage under the bed, which is down there, as well as these down here. And on the other side as well. Some of the technical infrastructure to the vehicle, such as the boiler, etc., is also under the beds. Right, big fridge from Dometic. It's a three-way fridge, meaning it uses gas as well. Right, so this is the shower, but it's got the light up there, and you can turn the light on and off very easily, like that. Now, I think this is a really good sized shower for a vehicle of this size. It's got a sensible sliding door, and it's got up here a false wall. And storage over there. Unfortunately, it's only got one drainage hole, not a good sign in my opinion. And up there we can see the shower column. Kitchen, drawers in here. Notice how bright they are. That's the rubbish. Two burners here from Cannes. This is an exclusive design to Dreamer. I'm going to close this here. Just turn that. Notice how far apart they are as well, the burners. This drops down like that. Okay, here we've got a chunky tap, and the size of the sink is brilliant in my opinion. From experience, although this here could be better. I would prefer to see a domestic fitting in there. There's space up there for your television, and look how bright it is from this angle as well. Indirect lighting under there, and here we have a wardrobe. It'd be even better if they had this thing here came out. You could use all the space under there, because if somebody doesn't need the foot space, then the clothes could hang down there. two USBs at the back. There's other USBs. There's 230 volt for hookup, and so it's a very bright, in my opinion, vehicle. Slide up there, but in the case that I wanted to lock the cabinets, I think a bit of force would pull that one out, but that, in fact, I'm going to leave it open because people will break it in here. Okay, good. So if you'd like to know where you can get it from, there is a it'll be in the description, and so that's the Dreamer D68 Limited. At the back, shelf, wooden that this partition will come out. Under here we've got storage space. Here's the gas. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf Caravan Salon. Thanks for watching.